In this video, I will show you how to access the secret menus and features of your Casio G-Shock GBD-200 and some other G-Shock watches that has the same type of display basically, and there's the same basically generation. So in this menu, we'll see all kinds of cool stuff. So to access it, we first have to cycle to the watch face here. So then also we have to select this watch face, like the default one. Make sure you have this watch face selected. Then what we have to do is we have to press this upper button and hold it. Then while holding this, also press and hold this lower button. And then finally, while both holding these buttons, press this side button here. So it's kind of tricky. I'm not sure if we'll succeed the first time, but let's see. Okay, yeah, hold first, then that. Okay, and as you see, it's quite tricky. So try a few times, and this is basically this secret menu that we can get. So this is some, let me cycle through using that back button. As you can see, you can test all kinds of sensors here. You can even test your battery life, voltage, some like demo modes and fonts and update fonts, and yeah, all kinds of interesting stuff. So to select it, select the start button basically. We can basically check like maybe let's check this MIP. It will basically illuminate the whole display, and we can check for any faults or defects on the display. To go back, use your back button. There are some other things like some test version. I'm not really sure. It must be some internal stuff. So let's check more. We can check our Bluetooth, like time stuff, and like you can see all kinds of interesting stuff here. Then we can also test our vibration. You can press to run it, and the watch will basically start to vibrate. Okay, let's go back. TL2, I'm not sure what that is. Not really sure. Then some sensors, your step count sensor, I'm not sure what it does exactly. And then finally, you can see actually the battery voltage here as well. So you can see this, basically you can determine how much battery, in what kind of health it is, if it's still at good voltage or it's at poor voltage and will need to be changed soon. So very useful info. Okay, then I'm not really sure what this thing does. Some font display versions, yeah, they're not probably that useful. Some demo, let's check it out what it is. Okay, so it's going to do something. Not really sure. So it excited. Not really sure what that is. So yeah, all kinds of great and interesting stuff that are kind of hidden from the average user. So yeah, all kinds of cool stuff, and especially it's very cool that you can test the battery life. Again, to exit this menu, press the like back button several times and you'll exit and work as normal. So yeah, that's how I do it on these G-Shock watches. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.